This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, August 13th of 2013. Well, not a lot going on across northern Michigan for the next several days. However, we are going to have some higher winds and waves for an increased swim risk, and that is going to be for the potential of rip currents for the Lake Michigan beaches of northwest lower Michigan. That is for today and this evening. Looking at the current weather map, we do have some low pressure that is off to our east, and we have a cold front that has pushed through northern Michigan. In the meantime, back upstream in south central Canada and nosing down into the Dakotas and upper Mississippi River Valley, we do have an area of high pressure. This high pressure is going to make itself quite known for the next several days as it slides down into the western Great Lakes here by Tuesday afternoon and evening. And then by Thursday, it slowly makes its way through the southern parts of the Great Lakes region and eventually off to the east coast. And it's going to bring a large stretch of very pleasant weather for northern Michigan for the next several days. It's not here until Tuesday, where we have this weak cold front or surface trough that will slowly work its way across Ontario and possibly the Great Lakes region. But other than this feature right here, rain chances look to be awfully minimal for the next several days. So the main headline here is a stretch of beautiful weather, and that's exactly what we're going to get. We will have some warming going on this week, but again, minimal chances for rain. As far as today, behind that cold front, it'll be gusty and cooler. Overall breezy conditions with temperatures in the 60s across the region, and those gusty winds will result in higher winds and waves with potential rip currents. And again, that's on the Lake Michigan beaches of northwest lower Michigan. And that sums up all the hazards. And it also wraps up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.